Do you want to invest but don't know where to start? Are you scared of the stock market? Do you think that if you make a mistake, you'll lose all your money? Then listen, millions of people like you have started with mutual funds. And today, in this video, I will show you what is a mutual fund, how does it work, what are the benefits, and how can you get started with just $10 or 500 taka. Everything will be taught from start to finish, so that by the end of the video, you can create your own investment plan. This video is a little long, but believe me, by the end, you will become an expert on your money. What is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is an investment pool or fund where many investors deposit money together, and that money is invested in various stocks, bonds, and other investments. You and 100 other people are investing money together. A company or fund manager takes charge of the investment. It will put your money to work, and you will get a share of that profit according to your investment. Mutual fund is indirect investing, meaning you are not choosing the shares yourself, but a professional is doing it. How does a mutual fund work? Investors pay money, either in lump sum or through SIP. That money is invested in different asset classes. Returns come, capital gain, dividend, etc. All profits losses are shared according to proportion. Types of mutual fund. Equity mutual fund invests in the share market. Debt mutual fund in bonds or loan securities. Hybrid fund, equity plus debt mix. Index fund follows a specific market index. Low cost, easier. Bonus, thematic funds, sectoral funds, ELSS, tax saving, etc. What are the advantages of mutual fund? Diversification, investing in many companies at once. Professional management, experienced fund manager, managed low entry point, can be started with a small amount, $500 or $10. Liquidity, easy to withdraw money. Tax efficiency, tax benefits are available on some funds, ELSS. SIP facility can be invested in small amounts every month. Mutual fund means no need to worry. Professionals are working for your money. Some important warnings: no return guarantee, possibly losses if fund selection is wrong. There may be short-term volatility. Some funds have high fees. How to invest in mutual funds now. Step-by-step guide. Set goal: retirement, house, education. Research: see past performance of fund. Set fund type: equity, debt, hybrid. Choose platform: Grow, Zeroda, Kuvera, Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab. Do KYC, ID verification. Start SIP or invest lump sum. Start small, but be consistent. Mutual funds are for long-term players. How to do regular monitoring. Check your portfolio once a month. Do rebalancing if necessary. Change funds according to your goal. Pro tip: don't be afraid of the short-term market. Focus on a 5 to 10-year vision. Top mutual funds for 2025. In USA, Vanguard 500 Index Fund, VFIAX. Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund, FZROX. Schwab US Broad Market ETF, SCHB. Mutual fund is the path where you can start with a small amount of money and build something big. If you have time, consistency, and a financial goal, then mutual fund can be the safest and most profitable investment for you. If you are serious about investing, open an account today. Start SIP, and one day you will be proud of yourself. Watch now. Start compounding in your 20s and retire rich. This video will show you how the magic of compounding works in investments like mutual funds, and your 20s could be the seed of a future million-dollar fortune. Don't miss out. Link below. Subscribe to Smart Finance Tips, because we're here to make finance simple, understandable, and life-changing.